Okay, this is a hood and a tailgate over there. The guy hired me about 3 weeks ago to blast it, both these items, and get it in an epoxy primer. And subsequent discoveries after the blasting discovered that the hood had a lot of issues and previous repairs. This area here was all rotted, so I cut out the old section and put, this is all new metal right here, about as big as my finger, and you know, had to recreate that curve. This is new metal right here, and this right here had some rips in it and some previous brazing attempts to repair it. So I dug the brazing out as much as possible, drilled out the holes to stop the cracks, and then welded those up. And the same thing here. This was going on here in the same area. Did the same repair. And here, this was all rotted out, penetrated through the skin, into the structure, right here, the support structure. And here's the old piece right there. That's how it was. Cut that out. Made a new piece right there. And of course I'll massage it, trim it, and fit it in. But this is one of these things, you just have to do it. Dig into it deep like this. And I'll show you some of the brass shavings. This was the method of repairs back in the 70s, early 80s. All that gold in there is I don't want to say brass, it's bronze, okay? It does conduct electricity, so you can weld through it, and it does weld nicely. There's some residual brass or bronze under here, but it's mixed in with MIG welding. So in the tailgate, there was a couple holes. Every one of these Chevrolet tailgates, they rust very strangely. You know, this is the bottom of the tailgate, and you'd think that rust would collect in here and rust, but no, it's every one I blasted, it's always rusting up here in the top, right here in the middle. The C20 tailgate is the same as this. He had rust in the same areas, so I had to drill here and then cut some of these sections out and put new metal in. And there was a couple cracks here. Right here, and then a couple cracks down there in the corner. So, you know, with the Christmas holidays and stuff, me being so busy with everything else, you know, this project has waited for a little bit too long, but I'm going to finish it up today. I already called the owner yesterday, and he said he'll come get it maybe today or tomorrow, sometime this week, but it'll be ready for him when he does. So that's just one of the things to do here sometimes, but I got to get it done. So saying goodbye. Tschüss.